Have you ever wondered what it would be like to receive a pay stub without seeing income tax being taken out of it? If you live in certain states, that fantasy could become a reality. Keep watching to find out which states don't have an income tax. Income taxes. This may come as a surprise, but there are some states that don't require their residents to pay an income tax. Some states do this to encourage business growth and keep their young and talented workforce from moving to other areas. So far, there are only 7 states that don't have an income tax, but that number could be growing. If you're curious about what states don't have an income tax, look no further. If you want to keep more of your paycheck, consider moving to one of these states. Alaska. If you don't mind the cold temperatures, Alaska could be your next home. This state doesn't have income taxes, and they also don't have a sales tax. Despite their lack of both taxes, some state lawmakers have proposed allowing one or both taxes to make up for gaps in the state budget. Nevada. It's no surprise that Nevada is one of the most common answers to the question, what states don't have income tax? The state brings in a lot of money from Las Vegas tourists and other fees associated with gambling. Texas. The Lone Star State doesn't collect an income tax, but they do tax other items to make up for lost revenue. The state's sales tax and property tax help fill the hole income tax left. Florida. Florida has great weather, excellent golf courses, and no income tax. Because of the state's lack of income tax, they rely on sales tax to generate revenue. South Dakota. Like other states that lack income taxes, South Dakota manages to make up the lost revenue with other taxes and fees. Cigarettes, alcohol, and even coin-operated laundromats are taxed. Washington. Despite the state's lack of income tax, it still ranks as one of the states with the highest tax rates in the country. You won't have to pay an income tax, but you will pay a high sales tax. Wyoming. When it comes to states that lack income taxes, Wyoming is unique. The state also lacks a corporate income tax, which could make an attractive place for business headquarters. Non-traditional income taxes. Some states haven't completely done away with their income taxes. A few have just altered their own income tax laws. New Hampshire technically doesn't have a traditional income tax, but they do collect a 5% tax on income and dividends that exceed $2,400 each year. Residents in Tennessee don't need to file a return to pay taxes on their wages, but as of right now, they do tax interest and dividends. Ready to move? Now that you know what states don't have an income tax, are you thinking about making a move? You may feel like you're ready to move to a state that doesn't have income taxes, but you shouldn't assume that everything will automatically be less expensive there. As you can see, the vast majority of states use property, sales, and other taxes and fees to make up for the money lost from a lack of an income tax. So, are you seeking to avoid this struggle? Let us know by leaving a comment. And remember to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, thepaystubs.com, and create your own pay stubs today.